it taught you kind of how to think through identifying the part. And I think that's something we lost when everything went online. When things did move to online, one of the things that I noticed right away is the reliability of that information really deteriorated rather quickly. Like if I had a Bendix catalog, even if it was an older one, I was pretty sure that when I got it figured out, I had the right part. But a Google search doesn't necessarily point you in the right direction.
No, you have to be really careful, right? So some of the stuff that you run into is, suggested or something along those lines, and it very quickly you can think that you're looking at the part that you need, and you've taken a left-hand turn somewhere and ended up in some other aspect of the vehicle, or for a product that's related but not necessarily the part that you're looking for as well.
Yeah, and one of the things, like I did a lot in air systems, so if you have these valves and they've got different crack pressures, right? They look identical. They visually, they look the same number of ports. They're all 3/8 on the bottom, or they're all 1/2 inch. They have the same number of inlet and outlet. Like it's all identical, but there's a different crack pressure, and there's no way to visually know that. So if you don't have the right set of data in front of you, don't have the information in front of you that's accurate from the manufacturer, you could easily give someone the wrong part. And that's just one example. I mean, you get into electronics, it's like that, probably exponentially worse than on the air side.